Wow! Oh my days! Look at that! Look at that! The sky touching the hills, the clouds. Oh my gosh! That is fantastic! The same over there. I'm not sure if you can see, guys, but it's unbelievable. The clouds touching the hills. Oh my god, more I'm traveling around UK, more I'm doing my project dev testing, more I found new and interesting places like this one. Look at that. It's RWR. One of the best circuits in UK. One of them. Let's go, let's test it. Right guys, and hi everyone, this is me, Racing Wolf. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, another video, another circuit, another dev testing, and today, as you could hear it from my preview, from my intro, this is Cumbria Kart Racing Club, or how we call it, RWR. And as I said, this is the most spectacular venue. Look, I'm inside of it already. Look at these rocks. Look at this venue. And you can't see a lot of it. Just a little, just a little a piece of it. But you see where it's allocated. It's allocated in a amazing location, surrounded by rocks, by cliffs. Oh my god, it's beautiful.
Dirk, next one, seniors. Thanks, sir.
Look how huge this car park. This is not customer car park, guys. This is a car park for drivers, owners, and I visited this circuit 3 times. Yeah, I think 3 times, and I've seen when the driver's owner's been here, this became a small village, I would say even small town. It's empty today just because we have arrive and drive sessions today. As you can see here on the circuit now, they have a like a racing academy, a racing school, something like this, and I'm waiting my turn. I think we're going to be on the circuit somewhere in 15 minutes. Okay, let me quickly tell you that amazing and huge building. At the bottom is a race control. At the top is a nice cafe. So when the driver's owner's here, that cafe is always open. And believe me, it's amazing views. I can't go there now because it's closed. Yeah, and this is where they keep their own where they keep now their own go-karts. When drivers owners up here, that is used as a scrutineering and as a grid up for the next race. And actually no, over there scrutineering, sorry. Over there is a scrutineering in that building, yeah. There is a weighbridge up there. When the drivers coming in, they go through the scales, they go through the weighbridge, and also there is a garage up there, scrutineering. So yeah, and the venue itself, as you can see, it's just amazing and beautiful. I don't know, every time when I'm coming here, I have that emotions of, you know, of some kind of miracle. So, right. Are you allowed cameras on the helmet?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool, thank you. I don't know, up north, all the venues is amazing. They allowed me to have my camera on the helmet.
Just watch the top end of the circuit on the rubber and the racing line, it'll be slippery. Off the racing line, load to grip.
Right, let's go! Let's go for it! Let's see what we can do! I nearly spun out already. I know that on the way it's better to use this scope. What's he doing up there? Is he waiting for me? Right, it's a radio hour. This is exactly what I need. Exactly what I need. Radio hour. Look at this speed. Look how much speed
if you can carry on. Hello, mate. You're spun out already twice. They said you keep out of the racing line. It's a rule of the wet racing. That was too quick. And such a good marshal. Thank you, guys. Right, don't go too quick up here, otherwise you will end up in the wall. Over there. Let me see. It looks like that corner works inside. That was really bad. I can't get that corner. I need to get that corner. I really enjoyed it. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. It's really different in the way when it's...
Oh my, it's completely different. I remember when we used to be with Ricky Aldo series. We used to be with the parents on the drive. It's a completely... that corner, the first corner after start finish, you literally flat out on your kart. On the wet, you're like a little bit this way. I love it. You know, every time when I'm coming here, I'm like in a fairy tale. Your venue is situated around these cliffs. I love it.
We've got 51 carts. We've just ordered another.
You upgraded. Before you had the Sodis.
No, we've always had Biz.
Always Biz? That's a good choice.
We've just bought another 30 Biz coming in October, and these are
New.
brand new. These are our executive ones, and we're going to run. They've got flat top steering wheels. We've had modified engines for these, just slightly a bit more than normal.
So when should they come back?
So the first 15 have arrived. They're here.
All right.
The second 15 are due to be delivered in October.
October.
When we get them sorted.
So I need to find somewhere 30 friends.
Yeah. All right, chaps. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
And then we've so they're the second batch are being built now. So
Are they going to be exactly the same?
they're exactly the same, but they've got flat top steering wheels, and we're running these on D2 Mojo racing tyres. We don't run on corporates. The new
That's
new,
why
Yeah,
I could feel some difference.
The new ones are going to be on the new Mojo D2 XX.
Wow.
So more grip as well.
Oh my
So
god. D2 is a yellow.
No,
Is that red?
It's the red one.
The red one.
They're white ones now, which is the old D2, but the new ones are on the red D2 XX.
I definitely need to grab my friends and come back here
We definitely,
because I love your venue. I love it, and the go cars, these pro cars. But when I was last time, that was a pro cars, or it was a 270s.
no, they've always been
Pro cars.
They've always been pro cars, yeah.
Oh.
Everyone's they've always been these, but the first batch, the first lot are 4-year-old, the second lot are now 2.5-year-old, and then the new lot will be coming in, they say, to replace some of these.
October.
It's October, yeah.
I'll try to arrange something.
So,
But thank you very much for today, sir.
But we've got it floodlit now as well. The whole circuit's floodlit now.
Oh yeah.
So we've now got a floodlit circuit.
When is it not rainy in RWR?
The forecast tonight was dry.
Right, guys, and another venue they've tested, and I'm so happy because, to be honest with you, on any other venue I would be a little bit disappointed because it's wet, but RWR, no disappointment, because like we spoke with the gentleman, with the owner of the venue, RWR it should be wet because it's like a business card of RWR. If it's not wet, it's not RWR, so it should be wet, you know. Of course, I tested this circuit on a dry many years ago, like thank you guys, like 3 or 4 years ago. I tested it on a dry, and to be honest with you, both type of weather is exciting on this venue. Both type of weather exciting. Okay. I think this is it. I've done everything on this venue. We spoke about the card, we spoke about the venue, we tested the track, and thanks a lot for watching. Hit that like button, don't forget to subscribe, and guys, I'll see you in the next video. See ya! I can stand here hours and hours and hours. I can watch this venue hours and hours and hours. I can come back here again, and I'm always gonna be surprised every time I'm gonna come to this place, and I'm gonna say, wow, this is RWR. Look at that, look at that. I mean, if you've been here, you are so privileged in this life. You are so lucky if you've been here. And you know what? Sometimes I don't understand people. Guys, travel around, visit these beautiful places, especially if you're a racing driver. Just visit it at least once in your life and test it, because it's your life and it happens only once. Your life is never going to repeat again. So what the heck are you sitting and watching my video? Just take your ass and bring it up here, which is 300 miles away from London. But believe me, after 5-hour drive to this venue, you will be relaxed, amazed, pleased. And even after driving these go-karts, you're not going to be tired. Never. Never. That guy is pedaling. Okay, 3 sisters now. 3 sisters.